Are we on the verge of another global trade war? The United States has announced new tariffs on imports, targeting industries across China, the UK, and the European Union. But what does this mean for the economy? Will it protect American businesses or spark retaliatory actions, leading to higher prices and economic slowdowns worldwide? And most importantly, how will the UK be affected? In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the latest US tariffs, their impact on the UK and the global economy, and what it means for your business, investments, and daily life. Stay tuned. This could reshape international trade as we know it. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Economic Insider for real-time financial updates and expert insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. What are the latest U.S. tariffs? The U.S. government has recently announced new tariffs on various imports, aiming to protect domestic industries and reduce reliance on foreign products. While these policies are designed to strengthen the American economy, they come with serious consequences for global trade. Key tariff increases include higher tariffs on Chinese goods, including electronics, steel, and solar panels. Additional taxes on UK and EU exports, particularly in the manufacturing and automotive sectors. Restrictions on raw materials and essential goods, raising production costs for industries worldwide. These measures are being justified as a way to protect American jobs and businesses. But history has shown that tariffs often lead to retaliation, higher consumer prices, and economic uncertainty. How will these tariffs affect the UK? For the UK, these tariffs could pose major economic challenges, especially after Brexit. As the UK tries to establish stronger trade relations with the US, these new import taxes could disrupt key industries. Key impacts on the UK economy. Higher export costs. British manufacturers relying on the US market will face increased costs, making UK products less competitive. Trade deal uncertainty. A post-Brexit trade deal with the US is still uncertain, and these tariffs could complicate negotiations. Rising inflation. If the UK responds with counter-tariffs, it could drive up the cost of goods, worsening inflation. Industries like automotive, steel, and agriculture are expected to be hit the hardest. UK businesses relying on American imports may also face higher costs, leading to potential job losses and reduced investment. Could this lead to a global trade war? One of the biggest concerns is that these tariffs could trigger a new trade war, similar to what happened in 2018 to 2019, when the US and China imposed billions of dollars in tariffs on each other's goods. Potential consequences of a trade war. Supply chain disruptions. Global manufacturing depends on international trade. Tariffs slow production and increase costs. Stock market volatility. Investors react negatively to trade restrictions, leading to financial uncertainty. Higher consumer prices. Businesses facing higher import taxes pass the costs on to consumers, leading to inflation. If the UK and EU retaliate with their own tariffs, it could further strain the global economy, affecting everything from energy prices to tech production. How will this impact businesses and investments? If you own a business, invest in stocks, or rely on global trade, these tariffs could have a direct impact on your financial decisions. For businesses, companies importing from the US may see higher costs. UK exporters to the US might lose market share due to price increases. Manufacturers could face supply chain disruptions. For investors, stock markets may react with increased volatility. Industries affected by tariffs, such as steel, tech, and automotive, could see drops in stock value. Safe haven assets like gold and bonds may rise in value. Many analysts believe that if tensions escalate, investors may shift their focus to emerging markets, cryptocurrency, and commodities as safer options. What should you do to prepare? With these tariffs in place, it's crucial to stay informed and adjust your financial strategies accordingly. Here are some key steps to consider. 1. If you're a business owner, look for alternative suppliers or adjust pricing strategies to deal with tariff-related cost increases. 2. If you're an investor, diversify your portfolio to protect against market volatility. 3. If you're a consumer, be prepared for possible price hikes on imported goods and make smarter spending decisions. 4. If you're in the UK government or policy sector, Advocate for stronger UK-US trade agreements to reduce the long-term impact of tariffs. The future of UK-US trade relations. Many experts are watching how the UK government will respond to these tariffs. Will the UK negotiate a better trade deal with the US? Or will it retaliate with tariffs of its own? The UK may seek exemptions for key industries. The UK could negotiate a revised trade agreement with the US. The UK might align more closely with the EU and other trade partners to counterbalance US policies. In the coming months, we may see major policy changes that could either strengthen or weaken the UK's position in global trade. Final thoughts. The latest US tariffs are already creating waves across the global economy. Their impact on the UK could be significant. Whether it leads to a trade war or new economic strategies, these policies will shape the financial future for businesses, investors, and consumers alike. What do you think? Will these tariffs benefit or hurt the global economy? Should the UK respond with counter-tariffs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Economic Insider for more financial insights. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.